Hi students, today we are going to see symmetry. First of all, what do you mean by symmetry? So what do you mean by symmetry? Symmetry, it is nothing but it divides the given figure in balanced proportion. Okay, that is, for example, if you just consider a circle, so I can divide this circle into two equal halves, isn't it? So I can divide circle into two equal halves. That we call that to be as symmetry. சிமெட்ரினா என்ன? சிமெட்ரின்றது ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்டை ஈக்குவலா, அதாவது ரெண்டா பிரிக்கக்கூடியது தான் என்னன்னா சிமெட்ரி அப்படின்றது. Okay, so now we are moving towards the exercise 13.1. The first question: list any four symmetrical objects from your home or school. So you have to tell any four symmetrical objects from your home or school. So can you think of what are they? அதாவது ஏதாவது நாலு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் நம்ம சொல்லணும், நம்ம வீட்டில் இருந்தோ இல்லை நம்ம ஸ்கூல்ல இருந்தோ. அதாவது ஒரு பொருளை நம்ம கரெக்டாக டிவைட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபோர் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் நம்ம சொல்லணும். So we can, in school we can tell about the blackboard, and then duster, we can divide it into equal halves, duster. And in home we can divide table, television, two equal halves, television, scissor. Okay, scissor. So these are some examples. Okay, so the answer for the first question is blackboard, duster, TV, table, scissor, and you can also give computer disk. Okay, computer disk. So any answers you can give, you can choose any four and you can write it. So this is the answer for first one.